QuickBooks video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial, we will make a setup our sample company. So in previous video, we see how to install QuickBooks trial version in our desktop. And when you open QuickBooks, this page it will appear in front of you. We have a trial version which is valid up to 30 days, and here is three ways to start your work with QuickBooks. One, we have the first one, we have to create sample company file. Second one, we can create a new company from here, and if you have a backup of your company backup file, you can restore from here. I want to open an existing company file. Now I'm going with the sample company file. Just click here. We have to download our sample company file, and we have to give a path for save, and by default it's appearing here in QuickBooks 2020 folder. Make it save. The downloading procedure is started. Where unable to download sample company, please wait for some time, then try downloading file again. Okay, now again check. Okay, I will reopen this QuickBook because last time when we installed, it's take too much time and it's stuck. Maybe that's why it's not working properly. We will discuss about this payroll and another option, I don't know what one, later. Now the procedure is started, downloading the file. Now it's updating. File procedure is started, and okay, it's a support window. If you have any question, you can communicate with them. Just make it close and don't show again. I'm putting here. Your payroll services is disconnect. Okay, now we are in trial version, that's why they are not providing us the payroll. Okay, okay, I minimize the QuickBooks, and let's discuss about. Here we have a QuickBooks file manager. Here we got an error. We'll discuss about this QuickBooks file manager later, and for payroll it will not we're not able to work here because we're using QuickBooks trial version, and in trial version payroll is not available. And about HR management and payroll, I will explain in Odoo 14 the concept of HR management system and payroll, how they are work and how you can work as an accountant. So if you understand the concept from Odoo, you can work in any software or any system. They open two windows for us here. I'm going to close this accountant center window, and here the home. You can click here and access this home page, and here we have these portions. One, This is 3 and to 5. Here for suppliers, for our customers, employees, and here is banking and company. First, in suppliers, you can see here we have a interbill, a pay bill, and manage VAT options. We can use interbill to pay our bills. Okay, here interbills, we can make a bill against any our supplier or vendor from here, and pay bill we can make payment from here against our supplier, and here is a manage VAT option. In customer, we have sale order, estimate, and create invoice. The first option we have here estimate, and after that the next step sale order or create invoice. You can go here, and after that receive payment and create sales receipt, and then at the end we have a last in under banking record deposit option here. This is only just a discussion or overview. The dashboard you can set our home page, and the features how to use it we'll discuss later. And after create invoice, here the option statement changes, finance changes, and statements, and a refund credit if we want to refund from this customer, make a refund voucher. Payroll center, definitely it's not working here properly. Even we I'm not sure if we work here. I will try to communicate or send email to QuickBooks if they allow to give payroll or HR as a trial version. Here the enter time, pay employees, liabilities, payroll form. About this section, we'll try to install or set up a trial version of QuickBooks. Otherwise, all these things I will explain in Odoo 14 community version. Here we have a chart of account, item and services, calendar. This is related to CRM. Here we have a record deposit, reconciliation, and it's a check reconcile. And we have a write a check, current account register, print check, enter credit card changes. So it's a dashboard or the home page of QuickBooks 2020. If we see in the menu top bar, we have first a file or create a new company, existing file which we discussed before, open or restore a company. Actually this is a sample company which we open or restore. Open second company if we want to open second company. Here is a create a backup for our company. From here we can generate the backup file for our current company, and restore previous local backup. You can restore from here. Create copy, and close company if we want to make a close. Switch to multi-user mode. This is for technical part. You can set. We can switch from here to multi-user, and we can create a multiple accounts and set this system in a server, and also we have to give the access to other users. Here we have a utilities. Under utility we have an import, export, synchronization, account, repair file, and network problem, host, multi-user access, which we discuss or I told here in switch to multi-user mode, and verify data and rebuild data for our company, and restore backup for earlier QuickBook version, which is option is here available for restore company, and send company file, account and copy. Here we have a open and convert transfer file. Client activities, under client activity we have a save file, and convert accountant's copy to company file QuickBooks work. And here we have a portable company file. If you have a portable company file, you can send a company file. And after that, we have here print forms. In print forms, we have here all these forms like invoices, credit notes, checks, and payslip. We'll see these all features one by one when we discuss. And this in this video just an overview. Here printer setup is to set up our printer with QuickBooks. When we make a print anything from our QuickBooks, here send forms, and this send form we'll discuss later in deeply, so very useful. After that, we have a QuickBook a backup back to QuickBook trial homepage. If I click here, it will redirect me, or he will this option will show me the trial homepage. And toggle to another edition if you want to toggle with another edition like in 2019 or US version, something like that. In edit, we have all these options. Hope so you also use in your Excel. Undo, retrieve, cut, copy, paste, copy line, use register, use calculator, and find, control F, search, and preferences. All this option, I hope you already know about this, and in daily basis you are using this option in your Excel. In next, under view, we have here open window list. If I click here, it will show me the open window list. Here I didn't have multi windows, only have here one home. That's why it's showing me open windows home. If I close it from here, now it's disappear the home window. Okay, next, switch to multi monitor mode. So multi-monitor means we have to connect if we want to connect our system with two monitors. So currently I don't have I'm using in my local machine or computer, that's why this option is not work. And next, top icon bar, left icon bar, and here all the views like custom icon bar, and this option is not related accounting, it's a technical part. At the end of the this video tutorial series, I will show all this technical part, how to set a printer, how to make changes in your forms, and all this stuff like top icon bars and these things. In list, we have here chart of account, item list, fixed asset, we have here price level, list, billing rate, VAT payroll. Definitely we have to check about payroll. And classes is very good feature to classify your entries. And here we have other names list. Let's check what is other name list. If I go to here with new, they provide a form and name, company name, and all the bunch of information. I'll check what is this and the usage of this other name. List. And after that we have here customer and suppliers profile list. Here all the list like related to job type list, terms like payment terms. Here the payment term, okay, shipment and payment methods, and we have vehicle list. All this bunch of information related about customer and vendors is here. Here we have our templates, and after that memorize transaction list and add and edit multi-list entries we can make from here. In favorite, customize these favorites we have. In accountant, we have here accountant center. I'm going to close this one. Here we have accountant center, and in accountant center each and everything is here. You can see batch entry transaction, means if you have multiple transaction, and working with trial balance, and we have client data review. So in accountant center each and everything related accounting is available here. After that, chart of account, also here they give the option fixed asset and batch inter transaction and batch delete transaction, means we can make multiple transaction or batch of transaction. Even we can delete our batch of transaction from here. Client data review, here we have a client data review, like client let's check client data review, accrual and cash. Okay, from here you have to choose a date, and then you will review all the data related to the client from here. And next we have here make journal entries. We can make our JVs from here and send journal entries from here. After we have reconciliation, so reconcile our bank accounts or check. Okay, from here we have a trial balance, set closing date. We can close or freeze our company from here. And QuickBooks file manager, which we already discussed in our file, and desktop statement writer is here. Under company we have the home page, we already see this one. I'm closing this and also this. By escape, you can press the escape button, you can close the window. And here we have a company snapshot, calendar, all the documents and all the information related to the company. Here we have a VAT R related tax is here, the information, or you can set the menu or all the forms. Under customer, related customer, like same as we have a accountant center, here we have a customer center. Here in supplier we have a supplier center. In customer, create estimate, sale order, create invoice, create batch invoices, enter sale receipt. All these we will see in detail one by one. Here is supplier related, interbill, paybill, item list, and supplier center. In employees, related employees, employee center, first of all we have, then the payroll related, the menu. Under banking we have here write a check and make deposit and refund, reconcile, all these things is here. Under reports, all the report related, our accounting, sales, purchase, and VAT, all this report you can find from here. We will check one by one all the reports. Under window we have here the arrange icon. This is a technical, not related accounting, and help also here. This is bunch of information to set up or configure the system. So this is the overview of QuickBooks 2020 UK version. From next video tutorial we'll start to learn QuickBooks as an accountant.